So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can turn off location sharing on Instagram. So first of all, you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, you have to go to the search button and search here Instagram and hit the search button. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update your Instagram application by tapping on this little update button available right here. Otherwise, you will not be able to see the same options just like me. So after updating Instagram, you are done with the very first step. Now moving towards the second and final step, let me tell you that there are two ways to turn off the location sharing. For turning it off, you have to go to your inbox, and here at the top, you get an option map. So you got to tap onto that, and here you can see that my location has been shared with my friends, and I have been sharing it with my close friends. You can choose whether you want to share it with your all the friends or some specific people by tapping on only these friends. So how you can turn it off? You have to tap on this settings gear available at the top right, or you can also tap on the sharing location section. And here the last option in this list is no one. And as soon as you tap onto it, it gives you some options whether you want to turn your location sharing off for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it back on. And if you want it to be turned off permanently, you have to go with the third option, which is unless you turn it back on and your location has been stopped sharing and I have disappeared from the map completely. But if you want to completely remove this feature and you want to never share your location, what you have to do is you have to open up your settings of the phone and scroll through this page, and by the end of this page you get an option apps. So you gotta hop into that, and here you have to search the app Instagram and tap on it. The very first option in this list is location, and simply tap on never. Now your location will never be shared on Instagram unless you give your location access to Instagram again from Instagram app settings. So that's how you stop sharing location on Instagram. Thank you so much.